Well, she's clean and the lights are bright outside. They look good. Well, it's Monday, December 1st. Dome week if you're going. Current weather conditions suck. We got about 4 inches on Saturday, and then it rained, melted a lot of it. But it's been doing this since about noon today, and it's 5 o'clock. What do you think, supervisors? What do you think, Frank? Frank? For those of you who don't get the Frank reference, it's Men in Black, the dog. Her name's Ava. Max and I call her Frank. So this is the cartridge for our air dryer in the trailer. We've been meaning to change that all year. Finally got one ordered. Gonna put that in tonight. See what that's all about. See if we can't keep our air a little drier. Sometimes when you're using a blowgun, you can take a shower out of the end of it.
Okay.
I wonder how heavy that thing is.
You got it?
I think I got it.
That one bolt's still in it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Got one over here.
That's half. Actually, that'll do it right there.
How are we gonna be able to get that in there?
What is here?
The electrical box.
Yeah, lift it up, back up. Set her over. There you go.
She's wet.
There's water in there too.
How much water?
Not much, but enough for me.
There's a drain on the bottom. We can drain that once we get it back up there.
There is?
Yeah, ain't there?
Okay.
Yeah, it's got an Allen plug in it.
But I wonder if we should take a hairdryer to that thing. Oh, wait a minute. That thing. Or should we just...
You want me to go get my heat gun?
Well, that's what I'm wondering. They showed, of course, they took it out and did it. It's nothing to take it out.
No.
Let's put that in there and see.
Did you get it?
I think. There it goes. It's, you know, it's something there. Yeah, we got it. Well, maybe not. Nasty shit. Nasty shit.
What kind of dumb shit are you doing?
Chink, that's the filter came out of it.
What do you wanted me to come over here for?
Them dog collars, are them, you don't fit your dogs no more, or do you?
I don't know. My dogs don't wear collars.
Well, the one you got your phone number written on it, like when we.
Oh, that's for the racetrack throw on her if she's gonna run around, so she runs away.
So we should put them in the toter, maybe.
They were in the toter. They should have been in the toter.
Here, you want a drink?
No.
But here, might as well take this.
Anybody want a drink? That's some nice looking stuff there. And now we're fixing this. Every time you try to drain the air compressor, it'd spray out all the rust water out here and just cover everything. Took the hose out. It wasn't cut square, so it wasn't up in there far enough. So we got that. Now Doug's looking for some clamps so we can secure this here. It's in the open position now. The handle rotates out to here to keep it from draining. It got clogged up again this summer after I cleaned it last winter. Doug's already took the fitting all apart up in there and got it where it can flow out the air and the moisture. If you do it every night or every weekend, it keeps it open. When the truck and trailer was here, the old one, when we parked it for the night, I'd open that up and just leave it open, let all the moisture drip out of there. Helped a bunch. So if we can get back to doing that, along with that dryer there, shouldn't get moisture in the air lines.
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, much better. See what you think. Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, she barely moves now.
Yeah. Makes more sense too.
Yeah.
I don't think we can get another one up top.
No.
But that's good. I figure when we're done, I'll put a fan up there to dry it.
Well, it's Saturday, the 6th. Final day of the dome. Obviously, we're not there. We are getting stuff cleaned up. I'm going to wipe down the inside of the trailer. I got to stay down bottom level with little man. Doug's going to get up there and clean the top side, get all the oil stains off the floor and mop the floor. Checking things off our list. Still got to strip the floor and redo it, and I think Tyler's going to do that. Not 100% sure yet. Easy, buddy. There you go. Jeez. These things are a dust magnet for sure. Still got plenty of shirts. Check them out at DarynKleinRacing.com. Get them while they're on sale.
Yeah, we're cleaning. Yeah.
Doug's getting after it. Cleaning out compartments, floors. Got this all cleaned up, mopped. I took the covers off the chains, got them in the washing machine. You got all that cleaned up there, mopped, degreased. Hell, it's Tuesday the 9th. If this is out, you know what's up. Doug washed the truck last night. We're going to pull the trailer out, get it washed again, so I can start buffing this side. Oh, it's a brisk 50 out today, but today was supposed to be the warmest day of the week. This thing was filthy from Peevely because of the dust, and then it rained a little bit. And sounds like we got a smoke or CO detector going off. Well, she's clean and the lights are bright outside. They look good. Eventually we'll have this thing 100% the way we want it. And that thing's kicking there. Be real nice for cooking right here when we're on the road. Schedules are starting to come out. We're starting to compile a list. What I usually put all the races within 5 hours of here in a spreadsheet, and then Daryn goes through and weeds them out, says yes to this one, get rid of that one, no, we're not going to that one. So I've started that list already with the Mars, the World Outlaws, and Lucas Oil that's within 5 hours of us, and Summer Nationals. So we'll see what goes on there. Trying to make it nice. Well, she's back in and dried off. I've been procrastinating long enough. We're going to start buffing this side probably Saturday. So it looks like this side is all bright and shiny. That side over there we did not do last year. We ran out of time. Well, it's Saturday the 13th. Cold one this morning. For some reason, the dang carbon monoxide detector keeps going off. Don't know why. I guess it's going bad. But we replaced it last year. There's been nothing in here running. So there's no reason it should be going off. Anybody got any ideas, let me know. Doug's working on the bottom. I'm working on the top. Didn't realize this side was as bad as it is. This section's been done. That one hasn't. Definitely a noticeable difference. Well, we're making progress. I got 2 panels to go up top before I drop down. Doug has got the bottom done, starting to work his way up. I've been getting all the tree branch marks out. I don't know if you can see it. That panel's not done. That one is. I don't know if the camera shows it, but big difference. This is a side that didn't get done last year because thoughts were we might replace this whole side due to the wrinkle in it from when we got it. Thinking about making some changes to the trailer. We'll pull that air line out, put an electric receptacle there because pit box is always over here. The fan for the air conditioner could plug in here. And then we're thinking about taking this hose reel out because we never really use it. It's more of a pain in the butt. And just putting that bulkhead over here, so if we need it, we can plug an air hose into it. And then that would take out this air reel, take it out and have some more cabinet space in here. Not that it really needs it, but when you're on the road, you get these things filled up quick. Did finally get the carbon monoxide detector to reset. Put this fan in here just to kind of circulate some air around. Hasn't gone off since. That was 2.5 hours ago. So it must have been just starting the truck up and forklift running around in here. It got in here and was just hanging. Doug's handiwork here. Cover, keep the dirt from going in there. Rubber. That compartment was nasty. Oh. They're big girls, that's for sure. This side still looks good after we did it last year. Could use probably a wax job. This side we are calling it quits for today. It's 2:30. Just got that strip about right there to go all the way down and then wax it and it's done. This was the non-dirtier. That side over there was the one that was sun faded. It really took a long time. This one's not too bad. It's rolling right along. And then we got the cab on the truck to do. And everything will have been polished and waxed since we've owned it. Well, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you're thinking or your opinion on the back here. We're thinking about taking out the air reel. What would you do? Catch you all next week.